Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on RHEL 9. Either it may be 9, 9.0, 9.1 or 9.7. Okay, even later versions of 9. So first open the default web browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.45. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Okay. Then select operating system, RHEL or Oracle Linux. Then select the version. So select the latest version. See here we have populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Click on no thanks. Just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 895 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.45 on RHEL 9. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. ls. See here we have the MySQL 8.0.45 tar file. We have to enter it tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter file name, hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo Ctrl L sudo rpm -ivh -modeps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. The user which you logged in must be the sudo user or root user. Okay. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. See, there is no service. So we have to give MySQL D. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Go to Ctrl A. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service started 7 seconds ago. Okay, you take it, Ctrl A. Now we have to connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account. We don't have any, but we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to sudo more /var log mysqlt.log grep password. See, this is the temporary password generated for this root account. Okay. Now we have to set the permanent password. So the command is sudo mysql _secure installation. So copy and paste this temporary password. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now see here the existing password for the user root has expired. Please set a new password. So give the strong password. Confirm the same. Again, do you want to change password? No. Remove anonymous users? Yes. No. Remove test database access? Yes. Reload privileges? Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL root account. Now connect to MySQL server. Ctrl L MySQL -u. Root username is root -p. Then provide the password that you have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.45. You can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running select version. See, we got the same. Now verify list of databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now we will create database. Create database. See, we have created. Verify again. So see, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command uses the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user before that verify list of users that comes with MySQL installation. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. See here, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the command exit or quit. MySQL -u, new username is David-p. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.45 on RHEL 9. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped 3 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. What the password? See, you are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, we have started 6 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench DBA on RHEL. So we have successfully installed MySQL server. Else, these files are not required anymore. Remove them. I'm going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Else, we have one more file. Remove it. rm MySQL, press the tab. Okay. Else, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.0.45 on RHEL. Okay. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.